Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning to you from Ragamuffin Hairstyle Me. Big up on yourself and welcome back to the channel. So, you can probably hear the wind sounds in here. Yeah, they are one of my nice like, celestial places. So we're not talking about no COVID-19, no vaccine, no crime or nothing. One like a refresher thing. We are detoxing that one. You understand me? Because me here kinda mess up and kinda look. I don't really look presentable for video right now, but I don't know how it go. Alright. So because of that, I go exercise my B-roll muscle. So let's get some B-roll, otherwise known to you guys as intro. So get some of that. Yeah. So as the title suggested, in this one we're holding our breath underwater for 1 minute. Or at least I'm gonna try to hold my breath for 1 minute. Probably if Trooper did I try this or practice this, them would draw them. And funny enough, you know sir, during my entire training, there was no breathing training. I mean, them tell about the inhale, exhale thing, but that's about it. So yeah, we are going to try and hold our breath for 1 minute. But before I do that, I want to tell you one quick story about one squad who get beat up and use the same kind of whole to save him life. So Montego Bay, you guys know that's where I work majority of my service. Montego Bay, St. James. So Bottom Road, Gloucester Avenue. You don't know one man beach, right? This policeman name, I think a Brown him name. And go over one man beach now with him girl for sex. No police, yeah. So end up go over there, some bad man hold him, beat him. Let me tell us they beat him till he frazzle. The following morning the whole him face swell up. And when him did forget some assistance from CIB, nobody never want to assist him because they must say, why never rent a room and go do him a do. But this is what happened. When them beat him up, him lie down in the water lifeless. In the sea water, lifeless. And hold him breath, and that's how they left him alone. So yeah, so before we actually submerge, we want to train our breathing a little bit. So this is what we're going to do. Exhale and inhale deep for about 2 to 3 minutes. So a minute. I'm gonna use the time myself. I guess I'm gonna just assume and put the timer on the recording then. So a minute. Soon ready. Just about ready now. This is nice. This is really, really nice. But if you give me a container, this, I might actually get it. Feel like in a my thing. You know, when I was younger, not that I'm really old now, but when I was more, what I call it now, spontaneous, like would I defile this era, or probably not defile, but this would be some place I think perfect for. Yeah, right here. Look pa me good. Look pa me. Feel ya no in a my thing. It's about go time now. So thank you guys for chilling with me, trying to hold my breath for a minute. Don't think I made it. A minute is really long. So yeah, definitely give a like on the video and go time. Later. Bye bye. Tata. Ciao soon.